Just another day in the circus, just another day still ungathered where it lives. Take a paradigm, is my purpose, or there's something wrong underneath the surface. A few kind words is all I want to say. They never listen to me anyway. They never notice just how far I've been. I'm at my wit's end, I'm spent. But I'm the mom friend, I'm the one you call when someone takes a fall. And I'm there to ask you if you're okay, 'cause I'm the mom friend. I will care for all of them, duty orders call, and I know someone will fix me someday. Just another day with my memory, just another day no one looks at me. Thinking I should be open your eyes and try to stay up straight. No one would want you if you act that way. Don't be a burden, make it so beautiful. And this is crucial. Smile. I'm the mom friend. I'm the one you call when someone takes a fall. And I'm there to ask you if you're okay. 'Cause I'm the mom friend. I will care for all of them. Duty orders call. And I know someone will save me someday. Raja, where have you been? Beyond that, I think I should. I'm here, and I'm doing okay. I'm sure I just missed the convoy. If I was a king, no, I could see that you need me. You know, it's not true. I don't believe you. No, please go away. Until I say that you're the mom friend. You're the one you call when someone takes a fall. And you're there to ask us if we're okay. 'Cause you're a true friend. I rely on you when deciding what to do. Then I think it's time I think you should say. 'Cause I'm the mom friend. I'm the one you call when someone takes a fall. I'm there to ask you if you're okay. 'Cause I'm the mom friend. I will care for all of them. Duty orders call. Well, I know someone will thank me someday. They'll thank me someday. I hope they'll thank you someday.